Alright, everybody, this video is going to be on how to do the slideshow with Virtual DJ Professional. Basically, these are all my little slideshow, like little picture clips, just regular JPEGs, as you can see here. So I'm just going to pretty much drag and drop them over here into these little windows, so I can just, now that I have all the little pictures on this sample that I want, I'm just going to go ahead and export it. Okay, when you export your video project, if you want to make a video file, make sure it's already in widescreen starting out, if you're using widescreen, flat screen televisions when you're DJing. But let's go ahead and export it. No, I don't want to save, just export this video file, and then I'm going to go ahead and do AVCHD. And it's automatically MP4. It's aka known as H.264. Okay, so it's going to be I'm gonna output it as 1280 by 720, 24 frames per second. Okay, that's how I'll do it. And go ahead and render that. All right, see you in a second. Now we got that finished rendered, and we're gonna go ahead and output it on my little jump drive there. And let's go ahead and find the jump drive. Okay, now we got the MacBook Pro on. All we gotta do is grab the jump drive, slide it on the side of the laptop, because we're gonna have our video files on there. Okay, and drive appeared, and there's a slideshow sample. We're going to drag that to the desktop. We're going to also drag and drop the photos, JPEGs, in there, so I can show you what that looks like. And let's go ahead and drop this one in, because that's the one I did earlier. For that to finish. And we're going to be displaying it on the couple of 26-inch monitors, as you see here. Okay, that's exactly what we're going to do. And we are using the audio controller. It has a built-in sound card, and it's also connected to the Denon mixer DNX500 as well. But basically, this demonstration is on slideshow, video clips, video loops, whatever you want to use it for Virtual DJ. This is the reason why I didn't buy Serato. I'm getting all those little guys out there saying you need to buy Serato, you need to buy Serato. Well, first of all, I don't want to use another additional sound card. I don't want any extra crap hooking up. I like my controller and my sound card all in one. Okay. 2, Virtual DJ reads all the different type of video encode out there. MP4, VOB. VOB doesn't read in Serato, unfortunately, but MP4 reads in Serato. AVI will read in Virtual DJ. DivX. A lot of different weird video formats I've never heard of. Virtual DJ, I find that reads it the most. So this is the reason why I decided to stick with Virtual DJ. Plus, it'll allow me to display my logo up there as a video file. It also allows me, I'm going to show you how it'll allow you to play video, slideshow, and JPEGs while you're playing MP3s. You don't even have to load these files on either of the decks, which is really cool. So, Virtual DJ Professional has a lot of versatility, so buy your own license. And I'm going to show you here in just a second. Okay, we got the files that we want on the desktop. Okay, so we're gonna go to applications. We're gonna pull up Virtual DJ. Alright, now we got Virtual DJ pulled up. Most of the skin, this is not the default skin on here. I actually changed the skin in here by going into configuration here. Under configuration, there's different skins. This skin is called the black sheet That's the resolution of this monitor, 1920 by 1200. But as you can see, there's other lower resolution monitors that you can use it on, which is pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and exit out of here. We're gonna go ahead and go into effects. Okay, so this is gonna be an effect that we're gonna display over here. Okay, but first we gotta hit Control V to turn on the video output. Okay, so now the screen is completely blacked out, and we're gonna go to effects. We're gonna go to video effects. Okay, this feature that I'm gonna use is called Clip Bank. Okay, and then that's where we're gonna load all the video clips into each one of these. Okay, as you can see there, you can load them all over there. This is Slideshow. Okay, let's go ahead and open up Slideshow, for example. Okay, we're gonna go to our desktop, just like we already have it default as. We'll go ahead and pick up that JPEG file. Sorry for the camera. And we're just gonna go ahead and select just one of those photos there. Alright, now when you're playing music, you need to go in here and set up a configuration on the video output. Okay, there's a little, it says use this plugin for audio files only. Make sure that is checked. I already had it set up on Clip Bank because I was using it for a wedding last weekend. So we're gonna go use it for Slideshow. Hit OK. Now it displays it up there. Okay, but it's just gonna be on that one still photo there. Okay, so with that instead, we're just gonna go ahead and turn on Slideshow. Doesn't look too bad, but there's no transitions in between them. You can make it a smooth fade. Virtual DJ allows you to have just a smooth fade right here, so let's go ahead and do a smooth fade. I'm gonna make it go a little bit faster in between pictures, so let's try that out. As you can see there, fade just a little bit. Now let's go a little bit slower. Alright, now that we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and go back to configuration and on the video output. I'm going to show y'all the Clip Bank. Okay, the Clip Bank is my favorite. That's the one I like the most. So we're going to go ahead and set up on Clip Bank. You just go ahead and click on one of the empty outputs, and I'm going to go to my desktop. And let's go ahead and load that Slideshow clip that we created earlier. So Slideshow sample. So we'll go ahead and hit open. Alright, and make sure you right click if you're using PC, or if you're using a mouse like this, you hit both fingers on the pad. Make sure you go ahead and make sure that the loop is already checked. If you don't have it on loop, it's not going to loop at all. Okay, so it's already checked, and there you go. That's the video. And another cool thing is I actually used it for some animation type video clips, so those are purchased through video loops, motionloops.com. So let's go in here and select that one, hit open, make sure it's looped on. Okay, those are motion loops. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna load an MP3. Alright, as the slideshow is playing. So just doing some Michael Jackson here, some Billie Jean. Alright, we got the loop on there. Not the loop, but we got the slideshow playing. And the slideshow is playing at the same time as you see it loaded on the deck. So the bride and groom, or whoever you're doing a party for, you can be showing slideshow video clips as you're playing your MP3s on your laptop. That way you're not having an extra laptop for this feature. You get bored from that, you just throw something a little bit different on there. Now, say for example, if I was to throw a music video in there, let's go ahead and throw the music video of Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. Let that load. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it loaded up on the next deck here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit play. This screen right here is what the audience is seeing. So if I go ahead and hit play on the video, it's gonna automatically override the slideshow. That's exactly what I use this for. This is why I like Virtual DJ a little bit better than Serato. Serato, in my opinion, is made mostly for like a club DJ or a hobby DJ or people who's into scratching. I'm not that type of person who's into scratching, okay? No offense to your Serato users. Serato is still a really great program, but it doesn't work for what I need it for. Okay, Virtual DJ works very, very well, but I use the professional version. Okay, this version of Virtual DJ, as you can see here, is going to be 7.04. Okay, as you can see there. Okay, the company's name is Automix Productions. Now, for example, I like to load my logo up there a lot. So when I load my logo up there, I like to do this at like schools and stuff like that. You can get away with it at school dances and corporate functions. I really don't recommend it for weddings. But so if I want to do my logo, so I'm gonna go under one of my files here, SP logo. So let's go ahead and load that one in there. All right. Now I made a video slideshow of my logos with transitions. There's a transition that you just saw. And again, the MP3s are playing at the same time. I want to change that clip. Look at the middle screen there. Do some like three-dimensional, like some animation type motion loops. I put all the motion loops together on one video file and made it like 13 minutes long. Again, you can do this on PC as well. It used to not be very good on Mac, but now the Mac version is freaking awesome. The reason I like the Mac is because it runs a little bit smoother than my other PC. So that's the reason I got the Mac. I'm not a PC hater. I still love my PCs. But appreciate y'all watching this video here. Appreciate y'all watching this video. I want to give a big shout out to DJ Kaz and Zuma out there in New Jersey, holding it down. Also want to give a DJ shout out here locally, here in Texas, DJ Tex Nickel. Let me show you his channel here. This is his channel right there. So y'all go ahead and subscribe to him right there, man. If you haven't subscribed to him, he's got some good stuff going on here in Austin, Texas. It's about 4 hours from me, but yeah, he's pretty dope, y'all. The iflaproductions.com. So y'all go ahead and subscribe to this guy. Appreciate y'all watching this video. Put your comments below. Peace.